Happy Halloween, you guys! Here is a quick version of my broken doll tutorial. And I mean quick. Start with a white liner, my absolute favorite way to start off these looks. It just kind of outlines everything, really clean, really easy. Next, I used a cream shadow in nude for the base of my eye look. For all the colors that I used on my one eye, you can check in the description of this video and you'll find out exactly what I used. I basically did a pinkish purple 3-shade eye look that I really liked. I would wear this look, like on both eyes. I used a light color for my lid and then actually topped that with just a little bit of sparkle for pop. There's the sparkle. Okay, so that pretty much finished up the eye look. Lots of blending, all the blending. All day we blend. Next, I used black liquid eyeliner, and I'm going to share with you guys one of my favorite liquid eyeliner tips. How do you put on liquid eyeliner when you're in a hurry? Don't. You can see this is way sped up and it still took a long time. I used a damp blending sponge to apply light cream foundation all over my face, and then used a white liner in my waterline and right under in my lower lash line to make my eye appear bigger. Next, I finished off that one eye with my brow palette and my brow brush. And this next part is from the live video, so yada, yada, yada. You can see I'm talking a lot. I used a black pencil liner and my brow brush to help correct things where I needed to really make the broken part pop and stand out. And I'm talking because that's what I do. Next up, I took black cream eyeshadow and I actually used an eyeliner brush to get right up along the black pencil liner and create that depth. Take your kid to work day. This is what happens. I used my crease brush to blend out that cream shadow and make it look more defined. I also used the eyeliner brush and the cream shadow to create more detailed crack work along the face. Down there too. The blending sponge was great because I was able to come back in and correct things as I went, which made it really easy to get exactly the look I wanted. Now I'm using a bright pink lip liner to overline the top and bottom of my lip, creating a really big full lip look right in the center so it's a little bit more doll-like. Again, check the description of this video for the exact shades of everything I used to create this look. Once I got my lips all lined, I used the pencil to color in the area and really define it. And then I came in with my eyebrow brush and a bright pink liquid lipstick to finish off my lips. I used my foundation brush to add some bright pink blush and a perfect little circle spot on my cheek. And then came back in with the black pencil liner to line under the white liner and make my eye appear big. And then I actually used the black liner to draw in some bottom lashes as well. And that was it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this look. Please make sure you like and follow my Facebook page, Credulous Beauty Co., for more looks like this. Thank you.